Dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. And if you're not, welcome back. And I don't think it's any new news that I am doing a ton of Mickey ear tutorials this summer. But I decided with how much I photograph Mickey ears and how much I love to change it up and maybe change everything about the Mickey ears, I decided my new staple with the perfect bow tutorial is to make them interchangeable. So if you guys want to know how to make the perfect bow, check out the tutorial. All links are in the description. If you want to know how to make the Mickey ears, I have lots of different ways of making Mickey ears, but I did put together my favorite way into the best Mickey ear tutorial, revamped, revised, all the things. So check those out. However, today, very simple tutorial, but I wanted to show you I have reworked everything about the Mickey ears, everything, okay? So down to how I do the interchangeable bows, to the bow itself, to the Mickey ear itself, but this is it. This is how my favorite way to do the interchangeable bow. Let's see if I can do this without looking. So this clips on and I did it without, I didn't get it in that one. Okay. I did it. So you can change up your ears from characters to different styles. I'm gonna show you guys this summer how I take our rainbow ears and make them multiple different characters. So many cool things to do with your interchangeable bows. Maybe you wanna do a photo shoot and you wanna make a different character, or you want just a different color for a new photo. It's a super easy, fast way to just kind of change up the look. Or you wanna take a picture with one princess and you want that bow on, so you just take a bunch of different bows and change out the bow for the different characters so that you can literally take a picture with the character of every character that you get to see. So many ideas, so many options. It's why I chose to make every new pair of ears that I make with the interchangeable bow mechanism so that I could just do this, because there are so many times I'm like, oh, I want to make those ears again with a different color bow. Let's just make them interchangeable, okay? So let's go. Okay, so piggybacking off of our perfect bow tutorial, we're going to teach you how to make this interchangeable bow by using this fabric and a clip, and how I like to do it on the headband. So this is the same as the last step in the perfect bow, and I'm just taking the piece of fabric and folding it into thirds and then ironing it. I'm using the Easy Press because it makes it super easy, and I'm also using my silicone craft mat because it can absorb heat and you can just iron right on top of it, and I love that about it. So when we're putting this on our bow, what we need to do is make sure that there is a spot in the back that a clip can go through easily. So I like to cover the first part of the bow with a piece of fabric and just make sure that that's secured down, and then I will use my clip. I don't want the clip to go behind that, so I make sure that that's secured on both sides with glue so that there's no way that the clip can go inside the bow, that it stays on the outside of the bow. So now I'm going to clip this onto the next part of the fabric just to make sure that I don't accidentally hot glue where the clip is supposed to go. And I'm just going to put a good line of glue at the base of the bow and wrap that around securely and hold it firmly, and make sure that the clips that you're wanting to use can go in and out easily, so that when you're interchanging these on headbands or Mickey ears or whatever you're deciding to put them on, they will easily come on and off. So now I'm just gonna trim this off, and I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and run it over the seams so that the little raw edge doesn't fray on the bow when it's sitting on somebody's head or wherever you're putting this bow. So then I'm gonna take the clip out and work on the headband. So you can do this on the center of the headband or the side. I'm just gonna secure a piece of ribbon on the headband and wrap it around, but I'm gonna leave this little loop at the top. And the important part is that the loop is in the center of the headband, not the front or the back, and that it's going straight up and down. That will make all the difference when your bow is on, so that it doesn't fall forward or fall backwards, and then the ears hold it in place. You can do this also on the side if you want your bow to kind of sit off center, which is super cute.